If 8 flashing bars appear on the battery meter console, there is a controller fault. First, locate the seat rotation lever. While pulling forward on the lever, lift the seat upwards. Next, you will need to remove the rear shroud. Make sure to disconnect the wiring harness. Check to make sure that all connections are secure. Now you must remove the controller casing. With the casing removed, check that all the wires are securely connected. If there is a loose connection, test the functionality of the scooter again once the wire is connected properly. Once the casing has been removed, remove the wires connected to the controller, noting where the wires were attached. Detach the controller from the frame of the scooter. This is done by removing 2 screws and 2 nuts in opposite corners of the controller. Install the new controller using the same 2 screws and nuts, and attach the wires in the appropriate spots of the new controller. Attach the controller casing, then batteries, then shroud.